Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Still from the ultimate love news, I thought I would lose Kachi after I revealed my secrets about having second son, Rosie says. Even the non-followers of the ultimate love reality television show by now would have known that Rosie has two kids from two different men. Therefore, it is not a news to many people. But the news is how Kachi, the partner of Rosie, would still accept her despite finding out a deep secret she has kept away from him prior to Auntie's section. And so we have been anticipating to know his reaction, whether he got mad at her or subsequently checked out. But the viewers of the show were stunned to see Kachi unmoved and went about his normal businesses as if nothing happened at all. This past Wednesday, Aunty held another session with the couple, and Rosie told Aunty that even she could not believe that Kachi would still go on with her. She said she thought she had lost him, but to her surprise, he told her that he will still continue with the relationship, but as a woman, he felt sad in the first place. Yeah, I know it's not easy, but love will always prevail. Okay, guys, you've heard it. Rosie's surprised and surely she's happy to still be with Kachi, and I'm happy for their union. What do you think about this, guys? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications.